When it comes to flowers, most people imagine tender and charming blossoms that can add comfort and bring positive emotions. However, biologists know for sure that flowers are not only beautiful. Some of them can be not only unsafe but deadly. That's why you have to think twice before picking an unfamiliar flower. In this video, we will be looking into 4 pretty plants that can actually kill you. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Water hemlock, Cicuta maculata. Closely related to poison hemlock, the plant that famously killed Socrates, water hemlock has been deemed the most violently toxic plant in North America. A large wildflower in the carrot family, water hemlock resembles Queen Anne's lace and is sometimes confused with edible parsnips or celery. However, water hemlock is infused with deadly cicutoxin, especially in its roots, and will rapidly generate potentially fatal symptoms in anyone unlucky enough to eat it. Painful convulsions, abdominal cramps, nausea, and death are common, and those who survive are often afflicted with amnesia or lasting tremors. 2. Deadly nightshade, Atropa belladonna. According to legend, Macbeth's soldiers poisoned the invading Danes with wine made from the sweet fruit of deadly nightshade. Indeed, it is the sweetness of the berries that often lure children and unwitting adults to consume this lethal plant. A native of wooded or waste areas in central and southern Eurasia, the deadly nightshade has dull green leaves and shiny black berries about the size of cherries. Nightshade contains atropine and scopolamine in its stems, leaves, berries, and roots, and causes paralysis in the involuntary muscles of the body, including the heart. Even physical contact with the leaves may cause skin irritation. 3. White snakeroot. An innocuous plant, white snakeroot was responsible for the death of Abraham Lincoln's mother, Nancy Hanks. White snakeroot is a North American herb with flat-topped clusters of small white flowers and contains a toxic alcohol known as trematol. Unlike those who have died from directly ingesting deadly plants, poor Nancy Hanks was poisoned by simply drinking the milk of a cow who had grazed on the plant. Indeed, both the meat and milk from poisoned livestock can pass the toxin to human consumers. Symptoms of milk poisoning include loss of appetite, nausea, weakness, abdominal discomfort, reddened tongue, abnormal acidity of the blood, and death. Luckily, farmers are now aware of this life-threatening hazard and make efforts to remove the plant from animal pastures. 4. Castor bean, Ricinus communis. Widely grown as an ornamental, the castor bean is an attractive plant native to Africa. While processed seeds are the source of castor oil, they naturally contain the poison ricin and are deadly in small amounts. It only takes 1 or 2 seeds to kill a child and up to 8 to kill an adult. Ricin works by inhibiting the synthesis of proteins within cells and can cause severe vomiting, diarrhea, seizures, and even death. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other pretty plants that can actually kill, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section.